Hello students, in today's video we are going to tell about how to opening a files and folders. Suppose I want to open notes files which is stored in D drive. Then how to open it? What are the steps? So students, this is the desktop, okay, and this is the taskbar, and all these are the icons. So on the desktop, double click on this computer icon. You will get such type of window. In this left side, organize. All you get is organize this folder content. So click on this organize. You will get the multiple options. I know that the file is in D drive. So in organize, here computer, C drive, D drive, E drive. Here I click this. Okay. And now on the right side, it shows the contents of D drive. So here you get the notes. So click on this notes and double click. The file will open. So by using the double click, you can open any file or folder. Now, how to move or copy file or folder? I close this window. Again, I copy notes file from D drive to desktop. How to copy it? Okay. Notes file which is stored in D drive, I want to copy this file onto the desktop. Again, double click on this computer and here in organize. Okay, I know that in the file is in D drive. Single click, select this note files, click on this organize button, use command copy. I want to copy the file. So click here, copy, then back to again his organize button. Look at here, desktop. So click on this desktop, click here, click right button of mouse and choose option paste. So it is the step by step how to copy and paste. Okay, suppose you want to move this file. I close this window. Look here, this file, it is in desktop. Now, these notes files I want to copy in E drive. So, what are the steps? Again, click here, notes file that I want to copy from desktop to E drive. Right button click. Right button click and then use cut option. I want to move this file from desktop to E drive. So cut, then go to the computer, double click here, then in organize, E drive, then it shows the E drive contents, single click here, then right button and choose the option paste. So students, these are the simple steps to copy or move file from one to another place. So now, how to move file from computer to removable disk? Here I am inserting removable disk into computer. So whenever we insert removable disk or pen drive, after attaching it, it shows the box or window. If you want to open file stored in this removable disk, you can click open folder to view file. Recently, I closed this box and I want to copy notes file which is stored in G drive, copy to the removable disk. Double click on this computer. It shows organize. Click on this local disk click on this local disk D. Click on this file Notes, then click on right button of mouse and choose the option Send to, and Send to. In this, select the option Removable Disk. Here the removable disk name is Anush, and it shows the drive name is G:, that is the G drive. Now click here. Already file is in the removable disk, so that I choose the option Copy and Replace. If you want to see this file, to click on this again in Organize left side pane, click here, and to search the file or single click, and we know that the file name is for N. So you can press the N and you will get the file. And to open the contents or to see the contents of the file, double click here. So you will get the contents of that file. So students, perform all these steps at your home and make copy of file, move file from one place to another, from computer to removable disk. So, okay, and keep watching videos.